In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use the website Hexatar. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a gender, and it's just going to bring me to a basic person. Again, from here what I can do is on the head, I can change the way my face looks. I have the option to change the mouth color, change nose, a couple of different pages of noses, change the ears, come down here to the face. I can change the eyes and the eye color, change my eyebrows. Come over here and take a look at hair if I wanted to change my hairstyle. If I wanted to give myself a mustache, if I wanted to remove the mustache, I can just click on this X, give myself a beard if I choose to, change the color of that beard. I have some accessories. If I want to change my clothes, if I wanted to have a hat on, some glasses, and if I want to change the background and the color of the background. If I want to choose a random avatar, and I can click on these three dots here, I can just continue to click through. It'll just continue to give me a bunch of random avatars. And if I like this one, but I wanted to edit it slightly, I could always come back in here and edit that to give me the look that I wanted. I could also restart, so I can bring myself back to my original canvas. And then once I get my avatar looking how I want it to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this download, choose download. I'm also going to get my little window that's going to pop up here. It's going to give me a preview. And when I click on this Save to Device button, it's going to open up my Google Drive, and you would save it to your drive.